Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Let's continue 6.2 geometric series. In this video, we will go to the third learning outcome, which is use the sum formula. A geometric series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. If the first term is A and the common ratio is R, then the sum of the first n term formula is Sn equal to A times 1 minus R to the power of n over 1 minus R. So the relation between Tn and Sn is Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. It is the same as arithmetic series that we have learned before. Let's continue our example. Example 16. If the sequence 1, 0.4, 0.16, 0.064 is a geometric sequence, find the sum of the first 6 terms. From the given sequence, this is our T1, this is T2, T3, T4. So we have A equal to 1 and R equal to 0.4. How to get R? T2 divided by T1. So now, to get the sum of the first 6 terms, or S6, we use this formula. Just substitute the values of A, R, and N. Then calculate, we get S6 equal to 1.65984. Example 17. Find the sum of the geometric series 20 plus 30 plus 45 up to 341.72. First of all, we need to determine the value of A and R. So A is equal to 20 and R is 30 divided by 20 and we get 3 over 2. To get the sum of the given series, we need to find the number of terms, and we already given the last term is 341.72. So we let this one as Tn. The previous lesson, we know that the formula of Tn is A R to the power of n minus 1. Just substitute the value of A and R that we get before and equate it to 341.72. Simplify and log both sides to solve the equations. And finally, we get n equal to 8. Now we already have all the values that we need. Substitute into the sum of the first n term formula and we get S8 equal to 985.15625. Let's try example 18. If x minus 2, x plus 2, and 4x plus 2 are 3 consecutive terms of a geometric sequence, find the possible values of x. We know that x minus 2 is the first term, x plus 2 is the second term, and 4x plus 2 is the third term. So to get R, it can be T2 divided by T1 or T3 divided by T2. So we just assume R1 equal to R2. R is the common ratio. So R1 we get from T2 divided by T1 and R2 we get from T3 divided by T2. So substitute our term, so we get x plus 2 over x minus 2 for the R1 is equal to 4x plus 2 over x plus 2. Cross multiply, expand both sides, and simplify until we get quadratic equation that equal to 0. Factorize this equation, we get 3x plus 2 times x minus 4 equal to 0, and now we have two values of x equal to negative 2 over 3 or x equal to 4. Example 19. In a geometric sequence, the sum of the first 6 terms is 9 times the sum of the first 3 terms. find the common ratio. So we have S6 here is 9 times the sum of the first three terms, S3. It means that S6 is equal to 9 times S3. Take out the formula of Sn. We have A times 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. Just substitute the value of n. And now we want to simplify this equation. We move 1 minus r to the right side and we can cancel out 1 minus r. So now we have a times 1 minus r to the power of 6 equal to 9a times 1 minus r to the power of 3. At this stage, we can cancel out a. And next, we need to factorize 1 minus r to the power of 6. And we have two factors, which are 1 minus r to the power of 3 and 1 plus r to the power of 3. We also can cancel out 1 minus r to the power of 3 both sides, and we let 1 plus r to the power of 3 equal to 9. Solve it. Cube root of 8, we get 2. I'm really sure that all of you want to know how we factorize 1 minus r to the power of 6 here. Look at this expression, x squared minus y squared. This one, when we factorize, we get two factors. The first factor is x minus y, and the second one is x plus y. Look at this expression, 1 minus r to the power of 6. We can change this one become x squared minus y squared. So we have 1 square minus r to the power of 3 square. If we simplify this one, we still get r to the power of 6. And now by comparison, we can say x equal to 1 and y equal to r to the power of 3. Therefore, our two factors are 1 minus r to the power of 3. Another one is 1 plus r to the power of 3. This is the end of our lesson. Hopefully, all of you are able to use the sum of the first n term formula. See you on the next video. Bye bye.